him, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Yet the Chadian Ponyankopon assist another day for what him can't say, which I have not answered. You are making me fight. Yanache say, send him to Tugunas, Yadashias, Yadia Canisa Asadan Chadian Ponyankopon eating. Yet then Yamia say, said in Nayani Mijona Cassia a ball on my Ghana, Yaji and why NG Yadia COVID-19 could you were best share yes, who may more. On my penny in a pound for the and she say, go up, my brain, we are what the Ashoto, sorry, I would also. A brana yen to me and caught and sorry. Say, Yanko Panda Roma, and no matter to Dino, or my penny prayer say, a son or every show. I must say, dear, and sorry, I would wing in I bet me a call a pack or some. No mom and she say, I cry at her home. Now, said your 3-star TV Ghana, now abbreviate the update. Ebram COVID-19, a brana a son or Eda Sona. Send a Jadian Ponyanko Panda Roma, was say a son or every show. Not say, yes, I see one thing so. Na say dear ye call and sorry I would do more. Near Quack say as so. On my penny, another danko kufuado. As soon as ye free as sorry hona. And no one should say no sir or mon concourse some no fine jumano. As so. And penny for mother and some nanom or mobet media ye juma. I was a sorry no more. And I said, and no cranks in or went to me fine judgment or mon uncle cry and or my quackoson. And Nitsi and a yet ye see, Nayan so yene and penny for air quackotion como. Naya do a monster adventure akahon. Na Kaisa Jumadi say a month for na abom and hoka, who shall tell if it a shamia may blink ya. Naya Madame Julie Boutique, or then I shall my tally for fair may blink Jiram. Me team so ya Isaiah 60 wo kwa be kwajanshin ho madam nyako ho obesha wege kama baby apese wo kobia wo di ama na nso di akwa akodi ntuma said empanyifo kan ye no bodam ni free e bodam a wo ye dai odi frifie eno nti yankwai na yankwohye ensori ahoduo no mu no mia me die mu ne bantima asafu yankwai na yankwohye
oko baby biara Methodist Church aso bie ni wo ya so ni a general directive if you preside bishop as on would never say senior president akasam as I said your man ma yedu obu ni di e de ma o man pani ene o mo a yedu tumi a show nse nyina enti ye kan say lockdown ye mbu sambra nso ena o man pani nso ama kwan say ye betumi akwasore ye hyase efiri ne bada ye mpani mfo nso na say aso nso mpani mfo nso tenase no so mo dwene ho no mo de hyehye na ye de amayen because president announce we no what yema another minister ono so so mayen directives and we go through it's about 29 points ne mo sese ye enti presiding bishop ne first the hierarchy of the church no adwene ho hu se ense si tutuam nika gidigidi ne ye koye so apart from say sikasema what about numbers still be 100 and mo kwa sorry yeah, sorry, you can't say 100 days, sorry. How many churches are service in Bayoha? It's going to take a very long time. They say, planning. And you know, it was a general instruction from the head office. Matters are so now, you take sir, 2 weeks a day, and prepare and put on all the protocols. Then you may be now 14, no officially. He never passed away. But if you go to any Methodist church, Ghana, Biana, Gunsen, and the young pastor, because we are putting down all the necessary measures between Yambama and Mase, President, as no kind Yabusu, because we know that we are law abiding citizens of the nation. Yariano COVID-19, and say it did agro. So, Intino, Bibi or more measures do I said to Quemo, a bit to me and Bois. My air spread it so faster because one person in India, over to me and there are more than 100 people. So one take care. And over to me and spread it because we can't wait to serve it to me. I couldn't serve it to me. So one day, 19 say, I know your measures are abandoned. You couldn't see and yet. Now, air cost spread it. Ya really degree. Ya bidu be na fidi na. Ya better lock down. Cry, my dinner plan be dim cry na. Now, me feel say abandon. But to me, say you be sorry. Na yebitu tuemnika say 1 hour would the year from the beginning to the end in 100 now look at the number of people if you want to see let's say we are from say if you 800 come 800 to 1000 people number so na so we be 1 hour I don't so you so I say there should be 1 hour interval and then what to me me feel say worship setting every minute we define the way we want it because it's like you be to satisfy something. Me that is what me who said 1 hour service you if you say it is be to satisfy something. If you say if you have said say e be 1 hour 30 minutes na and no benya emre kakra because I am say no here no it is not just a matter say ya baso keke nti ni tutuam nika enwo na abeto a woto 1 and 2 verse back we be oko na dey na until sometimes when you want to be in the spirit enyam nika tutu sa ko je nyankopon a na woni nyankopon be die hia enyam nika tutu sa say opentom sa sometimes it's like you are not giving God the necessary reverence for the man. So na nti me feel say 1 hour time dey ye ntumi mu o man hye so me na you must take note as I make am there me view because it is my personal view and yet I'm not saying it say e so no when na ya me akasa me view na me expect say ye ntumi mu aso na mra so for that one and the aso no hye say ye ntumi because me a member of the church and I'm a member of the nation and I'm also the law abiding person in the nation or my president Kasa a authority as it me this but to me say besides say me I have me and I want to make sure say to be frank me I wasn't comfortable with the with two things 100 and then if I say 1 hour they formed the offense COVID task force and leaders no so be yeshia to nyama and even though you say 100 there but you are a lot of facilities were and a lot of ministers into you bet to me about 4 services at the same time ye move because one day no and na Bali center on your was here when it was true and those places na bet me for 100 social distance between observers then na you center and so was wrong the Bedian offices one and bet take about 50 I bet me I winning na and no you so ye ho hye and na feel say the BBC are running service we say ye nyina ye meboso e o ha no se nyina me ka bomo so nyina nti even enanyum require no some of the leaders in the my binum assignment omo akohia omo e de final proposal ba enwure edition na fe yam what to do before Sunday nti ye no even though you say 100 there but your facilities e o ha no mo a e betumi arane fence services no be to say na make can say between 4 services at the same time at different facilities na ye won nti yen ni de afete bebre nti a day no you betumi aye first one because say first service you betumi aye about 350 because there were 3 different places and there were enough necessary on betumi take charge of within 90 nisa ba ko but the akana ye plan in such a way say ye na ye mekambu ye na ye mpon at the same time but that is what we are doing now we are observing and then all the name same thing place in we have put everything in place almost everything is almost set impression he criticize every say as if say it the asoro no na oba e be critic e be spread the area no that is what I disagree with them because that is what we are talking about. Then what about asoro and market for them go to the market and see what is happening there no mask no events and social distancing and but they are there but it's not like from the government up to a former because be na create impression as if say the person them can about area which I strongly disagree. Okay. But me I strongly believe say even the 100 of the amaye no see bishia na se nyakopon made mo na no tum na me bo me mpa go so bo na mpa di na edugu nyam na you see faster development in this country improvement say in terms of see eradicated area it will be better because I saw nyakopon man kan yam atum no be ati ne be say we dey kan no ebi am ye bo me mpa go fie obi so bo na mpa but ye na bishia mu a anka ya ho de no be multiplied. So we are going to say, yes, you are making a big mistake. Because who is my Jessica as one man known this Kabia Farmer. And yet, you want the church to provide services for you. They say that dynamic, they say what has happened now, say, they are not thinking about what they can do for the church. But all their concerns is what the church can do for them. And this thing has been translated into the states. It will come man more. The baby ready whatsoever to do anything for the nation. So because we do a tax when you're ready to pay for the tax. And yet the piano buying me mammy, I buy no so maybe one, I buy no person away. So one job tax, one more dear. One you was from dear, I buy no person away. The same time applies to the church. So it providing more services in the nation than people think. It is kind of yet was on home, Yan was one was said. I saw in the AU because me also me will make salary the money. And anything apart from salary, it goes to the development, social responsibilities as on here. And I mentioned just two schools. I hope where you mean now. Yes, can I do so? They could say, man, hospitals are doing now. Now, Chama COVID-19 by year. You will need so much. There's advancing contributions at various sectors now yet towards the combating of this with so much here. And there's so much time, so much wrong. Someone says, yes, now. I saw it by Muna. I saw one year income. And just said, you put some of Yam in this Kamasona. Sanya Mana saw the provided, and I said, you know, service on provided, provided the man, I saw Mankwana. Everybody in the nation is benefiting from it.
You could swear a bought a pro bono, say about PMO or Bantama, Pentecost, Asafu. You're presiding at the Dr. James and Kama. Ena eba be chichim komo na ya bisano ensemba kumiyenu na ya je ono so adwen kire se aso omampanyin na dodan kwa kufu ato esu a wayi afri ensori ahodo so se somni na betimi aya asori na mmom ehye kakra da ho se ye di nipa 100 wo ha pe ene betimi aya asori eno no social distance be ye adwuma ensa hofro be ye adwuma nose mask be ye adwuma sanitizer de be papa yensa be ye adwuma nempo asori ne ye be ne don hwere ba akopɛ sɛdeɛ medi ka ye no na ya ne mpanyifo bi ahwetwe nkomo nti ye ba be pie mu o Pentecost yi de na kyese ye ne presiding elder nso ye ne wono nso ɛbɔ nkomo na ye gye ono nso adwentwe elder e ma wa fa baba 3 TV Ghana so
eu me deu so media ba
e ba chana ho tse
na me na dum me ho ye pa
e de nyame yas
I will say
nyame adom e da ye nhye o mampanyina yi eson no afri ensori ahodo so Pentecost asafo mu nso de ye nimu se modoso e me ye kasika sam nso a mu obi pa no bi bebusa se aso sika e na entimi antuto yi ama no ma na entimi antuto yi enti we sika se mu na ama ene mo entimi anya asori ana se ehye no mampanyi di agu akwa mu no nipa 100 no e na emua mo hye ye enti na mo de mo ne ne nya adwena ma mo nya asori wa so masem ne se
yo me na wa mo da se the tie ni se je Pentecost asori no ye ne oman nyina mampanyi nyina na ya ka bom a ye kon a etia coronavirus the tie ni se enyi sika ne ye ne na ye pesi ye city na ye enema abebo man no ti ye mpani for the man say ye nto ye boase na ye nye ntoto ya ese na fata ko si se be hu se bibia amampani de to kwa mu se sse sa na ma nto kwa mu ada kwa mu ansana ya shasi edishia ya shasi sanitizers ya tobi yo to Veronica buckets face infrared thermometer no hankwa ya to 4 6 enti niema no kakra bu ha ya yo tissue yo niema bu ho na emum no ha ne ye doso mu da prokra ye 1000 enti hu se ya pebre na ya nche mu anya tutuye ni ya the whole day no e betra ha enti mi asori nti before the buy say me prayer yen ifie ntoto yi na si itimi e boa e ho bia afi ye be shisha e be hu se nipa sei ene beba nipa sei na beba se bi chi mu bi no maba memenda na se ukwasie da no e beba no pa kwasie nyumra bi a shift system eno na se ye ne ye sofo ne before ye dwendwen ho na toto niema no na ya me ho time na fe ye catch the members no se catch members na se members no tia won be hu se sei ni sei na se ba na ma yi nyina ya mefum ha so ama said the nhihye o ma ne de atudwa no ya nsu ti pese etimi enya eboa ehuye na yepie ne ye ba na ya ba ma bibia koso ne kwanso